Tess Ledeux is a French freestyle skier who competes internationally. She was born on November 23, 2001 in Bourg-Saint-Maurice, France. She has earned 4 gold medals at the Winter X Games, 3 in big air and 1 in slopestyle. Additionally, Ledeux represented France at the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing, China, winning a silver medal in the women's freestyle skiing big air. Ledeux and Switzerland's Mathilde Gremaud heading into the third and final jump but dropped a career-first double cork 1620 to catapult up the standings. Tess Ledeux would take to the slopes with ease, but few could have predicted how far she would come and how fast. Starting off at her home resort of La Plagne, France, she was on skis by 2 and a member of the local freestyle club by 9. She competed for France at the FIA's Freestyle Ski and Snowboarding World Championships 2017 in Sierra Nevada, Spain, where she won a gold medal in slopestyle. She participated at the FIA's Freestyle Ski and Snowboarding World Championships 2019, winning a medal. As a 15-year-old in 2016-17, Ledeux' huge rotations and technical rail work earned her X Games silver in both Aspen and Huffield and saw her become the youngest ever freestyle ski world champion when she won slopestyle gold in Sierra Nevada. The 2020-21 season also got off to a good start with a slopestyle win at the Font-Romeu World Cup in France, another big air gold medal at the X Games and first place at the FIA's Freestyle Skiing World Cup in Austria. Ledeux then rounded off a memorable campaign with victory in Silvaplana, Switzerland to win her first slopestyle International Ski Federation Freestyle Ski World Cup title. In 2018, she achieved wins at the X Games in Aspen, the FIA's Freestyle Skiing World Cup in Switzerland and the French Championships. The following year there was yet more success with first place at the FIA's Freestyle Skiing World Cup in Aspen and another gold medal at the X Games, this time in big air.